and then 10th fret, 6th string, 9th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 9th fret, 5th string, then back to 7th fret, 4th string, and then back to 9th fret, 5th string, and then finish by the G note on the 10th fret. Let me repeat that without explaining. If by any chance I confused you, now this is how you do it without explaining. Just see. Are you seeing the notes that I'm playing? One more time. Have you seen? So in total you have you seen? That's how you play that part. Now on our last part, this is how we do it. We are still in the key of G. Now come to shape 3, still key of G. 12th fret, first finger on the 12th fret, pinky finger, 15th fret, first string. Alright? So this is how you play this part. Very easy, without explaining. So these are what you do. Play, 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 play. Let me repeat. Play, 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 and then again. So you have that one I've already shown you. Now play again, but now finish with shape 3 like this. Just repeat the first step. That is the first step. So the second step, repeat the same thing, but finish with shape 3, so that you sound this way. Have you seen? So you have you understood that part? So finish with Kumalo with this one. I want to now we are entering now the shapes. Your shape 7. I want you to play shape, still shape 7, shape 7, shape 7. So play shape 7. Now play this shape as a shape 5, and then play a shape 6. So in shape 6, play this shape, 4 chord progression. First finger, 10th fret, first string, second string. Second finger, 11th fret, third string. Third finger, 12th fret, fourth string. Remove your third finger, you're left with this one. So I want you to play note 3, and note 1. And then bring your third finger and play a flat. On 12th fret, play string 3 and 2. Go to fret number 14, play string 3 and 2. Again, fret number 12, play string 3 and 2. And then back to your shape, and then go to fret 8 and 9. Repeat the same thing because shape number 5. So, and then enter, and then enter, and then enter. So this is what I'm doing. Again. This is what now we have. Let me repeat one more time. Okay, guys. That's a melody normally used in rumba. Franco Macchiati style. Alright, congratulations guys, you've learned how to play Msichana by Daudi Kabaka. Congratulations. Meanwhile, you can download the jam track from YouTube in the description. The link is in the description on my YouTube. Bye bye guys, take care, see you in another tutorial. Bye.